So I did feel this right away, this level of, who are you? Hello, open arms. Let's talk about your background. Let's talk about some of the issues we're facing in our country and maybe how we can assist each other as a global community.
We weren't limited on what we got to learn in India. We got to go to talks about self-image and confidence, and then other talks about the agriculture industry, and others about fashion and different industries that I had no clue about.
At the conference, NMSU was actually hosted as a special guest. We were the only large group from a US university that was there, and so that was really special.
And I think just feeling that warmth and that welcoming and accepting feeling from everyone at the conference, I got up on that stage and I just was like, yeah, I'm here to present about NMSU and talk to you guys about NMSU, and I didn't feel a single butterfly in my stomach. I just felt ready to do it.
In India, we have so many festivals, and every festival is so colorful. It's gorgeous dressing, jewelry, you know, everything is a celebration, I would say.
Shopping was fun. We went to different kind of outdoor markets, and you kind of go around and you can bargain, and I got some earrings, some that I'm wearing now.
We got the amazing opportunity to visit the Taj Mahal. That's my first world wonder.
We would see street performers at different places. We would stop in these elaborate costumes, and they would dance and play music.
We had one day where we rode the rickshaws through, and that was a pretty wild experience.
These are bangles, these are bracelets, and these are keychains, and this is anything that you can keep it on your tabletop.
The white elephant is supposed to be one of a good luck and fortune symbol.
I love elephants, so I bought a lot of things that had elephants on them.
Lots of different flavors and spices.
I ate a lot of biscuits and cookies and cakes and stuff, and chai tea, and it was a very flavorful trip.
So anyone that wants to go on a trip, study abroad, Aggies Go Global, anything, I would highly encourage them and recommend it. We met people from literally all over the world and got to hear so many different stories and inputs and backgrounds, and stories of success and failures, and it's an experience unlike one I've ever had. We got to learn so much about ourselves and the things that we were interested in, and so much about other people and how we can connect with people no matter who we are, what we like.
Explore the world. Go abroad and see what's happening, and just just keep an open mind.
It's being in it, it's interacting, it's shaking hands, it's giving hugs by the end of the conference to people I just met a few days prior.